Today, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know to get started using the DoorDash app. Let's jump in. So we're just going to start by downloading the app wherever you get your apps. In my case, I'm on my iPhone, so I'm going to the App Store. We're just going to search for DoorDash. And then you're just going to download it from there. In my case, I already have it installed, so I'm just going to open it up from here. And it's going to bring you to a welcome screen. And again, in my case, I already have an account created, so I can just sign into it from here. But for the example of this video, I'm going to sign up with a brand new account. So I'm going to go down here at the bottom, and here it says set up another account. And then up here, it has where you can either sign in or sign up. We're going to go to sign up. And now it's just going to basically ask you some information. You just fill it in. And then once you've entered all your information in, you just want to click on sign up. And then it's just going to send you a code to verify your number. Then it's going to ask you to add some addresses in here. And you can add your home address or your work address or wherever that you're frequently having food or items delivered to you. It also has a collection of nearby addresses that it's going to use if you have your GPS signal turned on for it. I'm just going to add an address here, and you can label this. Let's say that's work. Continue. And then you have some options here where you could add additional information, or you can add some specific instructions if you just want it left at the door or hand to me. And then you go save address. And you see at the top there, it says work. That's the address that we added in, and we labeled it as work. We can also add our home address. We can add our friend's house, a place that we go to frequently, whatever you want in there, so that you can easily switch between addresses depending on where you want that delivered. And now, as we're on this home page here, we can scroll through here and you can see all the different items that we can get. And this is all based on what it's seeing in the area of your address. So you can also search for specific things. So you could go up here and say you're looking for chicken, and it'll give you some options for different chicken restaurants in the area. You could also go to grocery, and you can see chicken that you can get from grocery. You could see pet, which is going to give you some chicken flavored things for your pet. So depending on what you're looking for, you can find everything that you need right in there. Now, down below there, they also have some categories. DoorDash is primarily known for different foods. So you could search for different pizza, and you have options for where you want to get a pizza. You have, scrolling through here, let's say you want a good burger. They have options for burgers. And of course, you could type in specific places if you're looking for places in there. And once you use it more frequently, it'll add to places that you frequent as some of your favorites. Now, let's say I want to get an order for 5 Guys. So we'll just click on that. And now, once you're into this, then you can select if you want this delivery or pickup. Delivery will come to your door, and there's going to be some fees associated with that. Or pickup, where you can order what you want, pay through this app, and then drive to the restaurant and pick it up manually. So we're going to leave this on delivery. And it also has here, down below there, right now there's 0 delivery fee since it's a new account. And it gives you a 19-minute delivery time. So that's based on who is driving for DoorDash right now and how long it's going to take estimated. If you place the order now, how long it's going to take to get your food. So that's a good way of kind of gauging if a place is really busy or it's in a prime time or anything like that. So then you just go through here and you pick what you want. Let's say I want a cheeseburger, and it has, you can add the toppings you want. I'll have pickle and tomato, ketchup and mustard, and we add that to our order. And I'll take a milkshake, and I'll do, peanut butter sounds good. We'll add that to the order. And all you're doing is just adding items just like you would shopping for anything else. And then you can go to your cart. It'll show you what you have there, and you can change your order as you need to. Click continue. And then it's going to ask you to enter in your payment information. And once you enter your payment information, you will confirm your order, and then your food is on its way. On the back end, the restaurant will get the order to start preparing the food. A driver for DoorDash will be notified that they can select this order to pick up, and it tells them where they're picking it up and where they're delivering it. And then within the app, it'll track this. It'll tell you what stage everything is in and where the driver is, and you can actually track them on the map. And once it arrives, then you can tip them right on the app, and you can give them a rating, and everything is all within the app and ready to go. And it's that simple to set up and start using DoorDash for your first order. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.